Hi, thank you for being interested in our software. Twilio SMS Bulk Sender is a tool that allows you to send bulk SMS to your clients using Twilio API. As settings, the tool needs your Twilio account SID, auth token, and messaging service SID. You will find all of these informations in your account settings. Now, you can enter the data manually or import it from an Excel sheet. I will make a simple Excel sheet with some test data. Then I will import it to my campaign. Now we add the content of our SMS. We can include as we want from variables to make our message unique. Now, simply click Start Campaign and see your SMS being sent. As you see, the SMS has been received successfully with the content we set before. Sending personalized SMS to your clients made easy with Twilio SMS Bulk Sender. Get your copy now. Thanks for watching.